So yesterday I came across a big dilemma. The bramble bush, yeah, it wasn't going to shift, no matter how I tried. However, I haven't tried loppers, so I'm going to try that today. But yesterday I was here until 7, clearing, shifting. So you can see that I've got down to the stream. I've cleared this little stream bank here. I'll probably clear up there also. But the main priority now is just to get these brambles sorted. It was easier said than done yesterday, I'll admit. I was looking for a handyman, but at the moment, due to financial costs, etc., what with the fencing coming simultaneously, I don't think that I can really manage it, so I think it's just a do or die situ. I just got to get it done. But yeah, it looks like Godzilla's been through here. Wouldn't be quite far from the truth, especially how I handled the scythe, swinging it around everywhere. But yeah, so the path that I've created, whoop, that's a hazard, metal fencing. So the path that I've created goes all the way down here now. So then that way Kevin can work the fence line. There we go, nice and clear. Look at this little island. Eee. There's a lot of metal stuck in the ground, so I've got to be very, very careful where I'm stepping. But I'm starting to really learn more and more about the lay of the land. Oh, and this is where I cleared the big jungle. I decided not to go all the way up there last time because it would have just exerted every ounce of energy that I had. But it's so nice to just see this patch clear, and I finally found where the fencing ends. So there's the corner, and here we can join it onto one of these trees there. It can act as a strainer and we can start going along. Brilliant. Well, I've had a bit of a sad news over the last week. It's just another lot of that beautiful tree. Look at the size of it, it's gargantuan. Must be at least 500 years old. He's a keeper. So I need to climb over all this, and I need to start going with the loppers. God, it's treacherous here. Look at all this. I'm going to have to move this giant pile out of my way. I'll try my best, but whether I can succeed or not, that's another thing. I might just have to beg Gemma, please Gemma, use the brush cutter, please do. Oh. Yeah, let's have a good close look at him. Okay, I will not fall. Yeah, okay, and there's also a tree in the way. Oh, brilliant. Okay, we'll try our best.